Airplane is somewhere. Oh, there. We barely can see it. Cloudy sky, rainy day. Saturday. This Saturday before Easter. Cloudy morning. Highway is not too busy. Saturday, not too busy. We had rain almost all night. Got a lot of moisture. It's fresh and cool outside. And these poor plants, oh, they spent all winter with me. All winter. It's time to take care of these dry plants and plant new, fresh, and start this beautiful season. Good morning, everyone. Have a great weekend. Have a nice Saturday.